The lights in a factory are dimmed, you'd expect production to drop, right? But the opposite happens. Because it's not about the lights, it's about people. The Hawthorne Studies showed in the illumination experiment, whether lights went up or down, productivity rose. In the mica splitting test room, brakes were added, removed, hours changed, yet output stayed steady. Because workers aren't just cogs in a machine, they are the heart of the system. Neoclassical theory reminds us, success begins with human motivation. Just like at home, when the lights go out, the conversation still flows, energy comes from relationships. In the relay assembly room, conditions shifted, yet productivity kept climbing. The interview programs revealed, social needs, status, and relationships drive performance. The bank wiring observation room showed that informal groups set their own rules, and morale dictates the pace of work. Daily life is the same. A student works harder when surrounded by supportive friends. In a workplace, a simple birthday celebration lifts everyone's spirits. Sometimes, what boosts productivity isn't the light, it's the smile shared together. McGregor held up two mirrors. One reflected fear, the other trust. X theory rules with strict control, Y theory sets people free. Humans are motivated not by being controlled, but by being understood. The right environment unlocks potential. Think of a football team. Players under pressure make mistakes, but a team built on trust scores more goals. Or a student preparing for an exam. Constant pressure locks them down, but support sparks creative solutions. That's the difference. Fear limits output, trust expands it. Chris Argyris argued that humans naturally grow from dependent and passive in childhood to active, independent, and self-regulating in adulthood. But classical management, division of labor and rigid hierarchy, blocks this natural process. Workers trapped in narrow job roles and strict chains of command remain dependent and passive. Motivation falls. True growth is the shift from dependence to freedom. A worker limited to tightening one bolt has their potential stifled, but given responsibility and freedom, leadership emerges. Argyris reminds us, maturity means gaining independence and confidence, not just at work, but in every part of life. From Hawthorne to McGregor to Argyris, every study points to the same truth. Without the human factor, success is impossible. This table captures the entire journey in one glance. The behavioral approach reminds us, organizations stand not on rules, but on people. Every individual is the soul of the system. Motivation, satisfaction, and participation are not theories, they are ways of life. Understanding the human factor means understanding the future. Technology races forward, but human value remains constant. At work, at school, at home, we all know the truth. When supported, we thrive. TT Institute Academy is here to share this awareness. Because change begins with people. Subscribe now to follow the series and never miss the lessons. Join us on this learning journey.